Alright guys, so brand new day. Check out the stats guys before we start trading. But today is Friday the 21st. Been at this account for about a week. We're almost getting funded. This is the only account I've had so far guys. Like I said, if you look at my YouTube channel guys, I'm screen recording my trades every single day. So basically what I'm looking for guys, well, you guys can see I already made $163. Basically short here guys. I actually went long here, took a small loss here. So I thought the market actually wants to go lower. So this is where I started going short, started taking profits and everything there. So my next move, guys, is I'm obviously going to go trade with this trend. I'm going to wait for this to pull back, and then I'm going to start looking for shorts. This today, guys, literally, this is basic. People are calling this chop, but this is honestly just, nice moves to the downside. Look at this, guys. We're going to probably see a down move here, and then we're probably going to see it pull back, and then that's when I want to get in, guys. So basically, my next move here is for a pullback to then go to the downside. As you guys can see, guys, we had a huge sell-off yesterday. Massive sell-off. If you guys saw my video upload yesterday, guys, I actually called out this huge sell-off. I just didn't take the trade, guys. You guys can see, I took the trade, but I moved my stop loss too fast into break even, where it literally stopped me out, and then it tanked, guys. So this really easy had me past this account, and we could have been trading a fun account yesterday. Because what I like about Lucy, guys, is there's no activation fee. Also, you guys can literally pass this in one day and then get funded the same day. So say you traded the 15-minute orb and you went one mini instead of one micro, and you made $3,000 in like 15 minutes. You can literally get your account funded and in the next 15 minutes and trade a funded account on the same day. I don't think any other platform is doing that. So that's what I really like about Lucid, and they're cheap, no activation fees, guys. They offer Project X and Tradeovate. So I think this is going to be my number one profit I'm going to be trading with for right now, guys. I will leave my affiliate link in the description. So if you guys want to buy an account and you guys kind of want to support me, use my link. I do make a little bit of money. But as of right now, guys, like I said, I'm gonna be documenting all this, guys. So, like I said, this is literally what I'm waiting for a pullback to the downside. And yeah, guys, when that happens, I will let you guys know, and I will be executing the trade live, guys. So, for right now, patience. Yeah, for right now, I just gotta wait, sit in my hands, and just wait for the market to pull back, guys. You do not want to be shorting here, because this can easily just pop up like it's just been doing. Look at this, boom, boom, down, up, back, down, and then watch, this thing's gonna just shoot back up, or it can completely just sell off here, guys. The market has been in a very bearish momentum state right now, so just gotta be patient and wait for a good setup. All right, guys, we're getting a pullback here, but I want it to pull back all the way to the VWAP and the 200 EMA, and then I'm gonna go look for shorts. All right, guys, looks like the market's gonna sell off here, but I also don't want to short here. This is just a small move, but I think if it breaks below this level here, it's definitely gonna short. So yeah, if it breaks below here, guys, it's definitely gonna come retouch these lows, even go past it. But if it feels break here, it's probably gonna continue going up, maybe retest up here, but pretty bearish. So I wouldn't doubt if this thing just sells off here. All right, guys, you guys can see market's selling off here. I'm gonna go short one contract. Aiming for these lows. Once I do hit these lows, guys, I am gonna move my stop loss to break even. Stop above these highs. Alright, guys, so we're breaking down below these lows. Like I said, I'm gonna be moving my stop loss to break even. I'm gonna move it down just a little bit for right now, but once I see these this low here get swept, guys, stop loss will be above this candle right here. So slowly getting there. This thing might dump. This red line right here that you guys see is the low of the day. For some reason, I hate how Tradeovate does not let you like restructure the chart. But yeah, guys, we're getting there. I'm actually going to start moving my stop down here to break even, but right above this wick, just in case it wants to flip. Alright, guys, looks like we might get stopped out here. Hopefully we don't. Once we break below these lows, guys, I think the market can just sell off. Hopefully we can get that before we get stopped out here. I'm gonna move this thing down just a little bit above this candle. Hopefully, if we do get stopped out, we get a better entry. I would rather love to get in at like the 50 EMA, but more importantly, the A plus setup is VWAP and 200 EMA pullback. Obviously missed out, guys. I could have got a really good entry if I waited a little, executed over here. But yeah, as you guys can see, we got stopped out, but either way, that's fine, because The A plus setup is right here, guys. All right, guys, we're at the 50 EMA level here. We can see some rejection, but we could easily just see it come back up here, guys, and retest the 200 and VWAP, which is a way better entry. But this, if we do see some downside here, guys, if we see it break below the same level we broke below, I'm going to go short again, guys, because we are retesting the 50 EMA. So we are rejecting it right now, and if we do end up selling below this line again, guys, I will be looking for some sells. All right, so we're seeing some momentum here, so I went short. I'm gonna put my stop above this high. Take profit at these lows. Alright guys, moving pretty quick. I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even already. Trying to see if we can get a nice push here. Look at that beautiful rejection off the 50. Broke below this level, guys. We should sell off here. We should. But keeping my thing stopped because this thing could just chop around. It has been kind of a choppy day, so we can't get that move, it's better just to stay out. Once we see a little push here, guys, I'm going to move my stop loss a little higher here, just above this wick. You just want to see this break down. I think once we see price break below this level here, guys, we should be able to sell off. Alright, guys, we got stopped out, so market could chop here, guys. Market could chop here. If we do break above this level here, guys, then my next target is going to be this 200 EMA level on the 5-minute. But we could be rejecting off this level too. But if we do break above this level, guys, with some strength, we could head back up here. And honestly, we could continue even going even higher. But who knows, guys? Yeah, but super choppy day. It is Friday. Is today the third Friday of the month? If it's the third Friday of the month, then the market usually chops around like this. So let's check it out. I'm not even sure. So yeah, third Friday of the month, guys. If you guys didn't know this, the third Friday of the month is a big stock expiration day. So market tends to be super choppy. I might actually just get off soon, pretty much. I might just get off. Tomorrow's my birthday. I gotta go do things right now. I do want to see what the market does here, though. All right, guys, look at that. We ripped past the VWAP and 200 on the 1-minute. So now our target is gonna be here on the 5-minute, guys. We're gonna aim for this 200 VWAP on the 5-minute. But if we do see some type of rejection on the 1-minute and some bearish move on the 5-minute, guys, we might go short before we hit that level. But all right, guys, the market is ripping now, so who knows where this thing can go. This thing can probably just chop around short up here, but I'm gonna stick around for a few minutes, see if I can catch some move here. It is 10:30. I do got things to do, and it's Friday. Market's usually gonna chop, so it's the high of the day, guys. If we can maybe bounce off this, I might look for a short. All right, guys, I did just go short right now. I actually did it impulsively. I shouldn't have done that, honestly, but I'm gonna have my stop above here. That was only a really bad mistake, guys, but I'm just gonna stick with it. Or I might even just get out, guys. I accidentally just pressed sell. Let's see what happened here. Yeah, this thing's gonna probably just keep going up. That was a mistake, guys. I just hope I don't lose on what I just got today. I'm trying to get out this trade, guys. I'm gonna do the stop up here. So yeah, super stop loss, guys. I accidentally pressed sell. Hopefully we see some rejection here after this big red candle, but it's most likely just gonna keep going up. Yeah, guys, this is probably gonna stop me out, guys. Most likely. But if it doesn't, guys, I am gonna get out right away. Yeah, guys, most likely taking a loss on this. I accidentally pressed sell. Didn't mean to, but this is what it is. So basically just lost $100 there. Wow, this market completely just flipped around. Shouldn't have done that, guys. Still up $87, but wow, what a choppy day. This thing is probably just gonna chop around all day. Honestly, guys, I'm pretty much done trading for the day. Market's pretty much flat, 0.42. So yeah, guys, third Friday of the month, choppy days. Market usually doesn't do anything, so I'm probably just gonna step away. It's not worth my time. All right, guys, I just took a little short long position. The market's just slowly just going up, so I'm just gonna go long here. You guys can see him up. If I think once we see the break this high, guys, I'm gonna break even here, see if I can recover what we just lost. Market is obviously just bullish at this point, so short little long here. Come on, we want to see a little push. Do our stop here, keep our tight stop loss tight here. Come on, market, it wants to push. It wants to push. Here we go, guys. We got the push. I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even. I'm gonna keep this tight, guys. Keep trailing. We're almost close to the daily high, guys. That green line up here is a daily high. But yeah, so you guys can see even on the 1 hour, guys, we've literally just been chopped all day. Look at this. So just got stopped out. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'm done trading for the day. Super choppy day, not worth my time. So catch you guys next week on a Monday. What's up, guys? So I did go to the gym, but I did take some trades while I was at the gym. I'm gonna go that over right now. As you guys can see, guys, the market did take off. I think the last time I was on here, guys, I said I went long here accidentally and took a loss, but I was able to make even, oh no, down here, guys. So I did go short here, took a loss, but then I did go long, but I was securing some small profits. And then same here, guys, I was gonna go long, saw it dip a little, then I went up here, and then I got out because I was like, all right, this thing is probably gonna sell off. So it did, and then it sold off, and I was literally thinking of selling here, and I didn't. This was when I was all this happened while I was at the gym, guys, and then the market skyrocketed for some reason, and then I was like looking for some sell opportunity. I'm literally still at the gym, and my phone was literally about to die too, so I was kind of being super risky of taking a trade when my phone was literally about to die. But I was able to go short at the top here, guys, and look at this, guys. If I held, I could have passed this account by now. If you guys can see, we are $500 away. This would have easy made my money back. Honestly, guys, if you guys look at all the videos I posted, I've been trading this whole account and documenting the whole thing on my YouTube channel. Look at this, guys. Not one single losing trade so far. And if you look at the videos, guys, if you go watch the videos, you will see that we could have made money on this day yesterday, guys, with the big sell-off. I was literally calling out the sell. I was in a sell, and I get wicked out and in the market tank. So we could have easily passed yesterday. We could have easily passed today too, guys, if I just hold on to my trade longer or just stop moving my stop loss into break even super quick. But other than that, guys, like if you guys can see, this is being super consistent. Imagine trading 5 of these at the same time, guys. It's literally easy profit, guys. What you want to focus on is just securing that profits. Monday, new day. Hopefully we can pass it by then. And what I like about Lucid, guys, is when you pass the funded stage or the eval, you can get the funded account right after, like 15 minutes later. So you can trade a funded account the same day you pass the eval, guys. So yeah, pretty crazy, guys. Pretty much done for the day. It's already 3 o'clock. It's Friday, so the market probably won't move anymore. But yeah, guys, I kind of wish I did hold a little longer. And I did have a trading alert here too. I was waiting for this bear flag to break down, guys. Like I said, I was at the gym, guys, and my phone was about to die. I would have taken this bear flag position too, but it was a little too late. It is what it is, guys, but so far so good. Yeah, guys, if you guys like, comment, subscribe, because I'm going to start trading live on this channel. But at first I want to upload more videos. I want to pass more evals, get funded, get payouts, and then I'll start trading live, guys. Like, comment, subscribe if you like this content. Peace.